Doggone it. There it is. Number 3. Oh, that's a nicer fish. That's a nicer fish. Hang on, buddy. Woo! Number 3. Yeah. Hang on, buddy. Hang on. I just swallowed that thing too. Yeah. Woo. There we go. Come on. There we go. Number 3. Probably the last one of the day. Check him out, Roger. Roger. Woo!
Well, that's a good one. Is that bigger than the one you just caught?
I think it's about the same size.
Probably the same fish.
Maybe. Hey, buddy, make sure I got you on.
Picture of it?
Yeah, I got him on GoPro.
That's a cool, man.
Yeah. All right, didn't even have time to turn the camera on. We'll take him. Thanks, buddy. Oh, hang on.